Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to look at statistical tests. You have collected your survey data, or you have your data. It could be survey, it could be any form of data, and you want to undertake some statistical analysis, data analysis. Among all the classifications that are used for statistical analysis, there is F1, which is also popular and well known in all data analysis, and that is parametric versus non-parametric test. So today we are going to look at the assumptions that will make you conduct a parametric statistical test or a non-parametric statistical test. So let's go into that. So these are the comparing assumption criteria that I'm going to use. So in terms of the measurement scales, if your data sets have interval and ratio scales, then they fall into the parametric test. You have to pick a parametric test and use it to analyze your data. If they are nominal and ordinal, then you have to use non-parametric tests. Nominal and ordinal, example, if you take something like nominal gender, male, female, ordinal example is ranking first, second, third, then you have to use a non-parametric test. In terms of interval and ratio, in the SPSS, they normally come as scales. And they include numbers, intervals, ratios like temperature, time. Then the second comparing assumption criteria is the measure of central tendency. If you tend to have mean and standard deviation on your data set, then it's better you use parametric tests. But if your data set is more towards median, then non-parametric test. In terms of the information, normally the information about the population of the data set is known. It's completely known. If it is known, then it's good for you to choose parametric tests. If it is not known, it's better you use non-parametric tests. In terms of the data distribution, for a data set which is normally distributed, which look like a bell shape, it is good for you to go for parametric tests. And the ones which are not normally distributed, then it is good you go for the non-parametric test, the ones which are not normally distributed. In terms of suitability, a data set which is large enough with large sample size and large responses is good for you to use parametric tests. If it is small, it will be more suitable for non-parametric tests. For some sampling techniques, if your data set, you collected your data set with a probability sampling like random sampling, like stratified sampling, then it's better for you to apply parametric tests. But if you use non-probability sampling like snowballing and convenience sampling techniques, then it is good you use non-parametric tests. So thank you for this. In the next video, I'll take you through these parametric tests. I will specifically mention the parametric test and non-parametric tests. Thank you.